What we have here is a raw piece of 6061 aluminum. This part is going to be made on a 5-axis machine. So our customers send us CAD files directly that we generate all of our tool paths off of to create the part. And then everything goes wirelessly to our 5-axis machining center. 5-axis machine here, it not only moves in the X-axis and the Y-axis, it also moves in your A and C, where we generate all our code to create the part. This is all the G&M code in the program that tells the machine what to do on making the part with all the different tools that we selected to create the part with.